Before reviewing this watch, I would like to talk about the brand. Fossil is an American brand based in Texas, founded in 1984. Fossil also makes licensed accessories for brands such as Skechers, Imperial Armani, DKNY, Diesel, Armani Exchange, and more. This is a Fossil CH2647 deco watch. It has a diameter of 43 mm by 43 mm. Thickness of the watch is 13 mm. It also has a water resistance of mechanism movement is quartz. The strap material used in this watch is silicone. It's a multi-feature analog watch. It says it has stainless steel case, but I don't believe that. Clasp type is buckle tachymeter. The price of this watch right now is 4286. The glass is not scratch proof. As you can see, there are little scratches on the glass and around the glass. If you press this button, you'll start the timer. And then press the same button again, stop the timer, and this resets it. Sometimes if you're wearing this watch too much, it leaves a mark on your wrist. And compared to other watches, this watch is heavy on the wrist.